planning a winter visit to Montana, or do you call Montana home? In this Love Where You Live series, I'm going to take you up to Whitefish Mountain Resort to check out Inspiration Run so you can hit the slopes with confidence. I'm Janet with Radiant Realty, your Montana realtor. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay a while. If you are looking to buy or sell a property or home here in Montana, definitely reach out. I would love to hear more about your needs. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos featuring Montana lifestyle and homes drop. Inspiration Run is located on the front side of the mountain and can be accessed via Chair 1 or 4. I absolutely love this run on a clear day as the views are out of this world. As you can see, you don't have to go far to take it all in. For beginners, this run might feel a bit daunting at the start with a tighter width track that drops off on your left. But if you look up, not down, you can take in those incredible views. And if it's any consolation, people ski right off that ledge as well. At the end of the track, the run opens up to gorgeous views of Whitefish Lake in the valley below. If you are afraid of heights, this next section might be a bit unnerving. My sister actually took her skis off and walked down this section the first time. It is wider than the start, but does drop off on both sides. As you can see, those drop-offs actually lead to additional runs down the mountain if you feel up for the challenge. Once through that section, it's pretty smooth sailing, with plenty of space to feel secure no matter your ability, allowing you to continue taking in those beautiful views. Feel free to ride up the sides and pop back into the run, or take a detour onto one of the adjoining options. You can continue on Inspiration all the way down to Chair 9, 6, and 4. Be sure to check out my video on Whitefish Mountain properties if you want more details on homes and condos by these lifts. Otherwise, you can veer off onto Russ's Street to get back to Chair 1 or 2. Russ's Street is a green run that comes down from the back of the mountain. As you can see, it's fairly mild but can get a bit congested at times. A beautiful ride as well. You will pass by Chair 10 and a few other run options to drop down to Chair 1, which is what we did. Or you can continue on Russ's Street until it meets up with Tony Matt. Then you can take that down to Chair 1 or 2. That's all for today. More runs will be posted soon, so hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos drop. Leave a comment below if you've done this run or would like to, and also tell me, do you love where you live? Have an amazing week, and I will see you next time.